Watch the full video please. What is he doing? Stop it. OMG, is he having an asthma attack?
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. Today I'm gonna be reacting to Sir Cruz rating waves. This is gonna be interesting, so if you don't watch the whole video, then you're gonna be missing out on some stuff, because I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I'm not gonna change my rates because Sir Cruz rates is something different. If I see that it deserves a certain rate, I'm gonna stick to that rate. All right, I feel like it's gonna be interesting, so you just watch the whole video. All right, make sure you like the video, and if you're not subscribed already, please smash that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get started with this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright guys, so we got Instagram wave check reaction 2021. First off, man, you know you gotta like the video, you feel me? Helps with the algorithm. So if you didn't like this video yet, please like that junk, you feel me? I'm gonna have this video linked in my description, so y'all can go to Sir Cruz page, like the video, subscribe, all that, alright? We gotta support each other, man. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm about to go full screen. This video is 5 minutes long. So I don't know.
Hello everybody watching. I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but we gonna get straight to the motherfucker point.
You know why you haven't been on YouTube, because you've been reacting to my waves on TikTok, huh? Talking about I'm an 8. I'm not no 8. It's like nah. You got it. I had a couple of 4s, but
Yeah, what's up, everybody watching? Hit that like button if you haven't. My name is Sir Cruz. Follow me on Instagram, Real Sir Cruz.
I heard that.
REALSIRCRUZ. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, Real Sir Cruz. Real Sir Cruz on Instagram, Real Sir Cruz. Let's get to motherfucking
do all that.
Wave check.
Let's get to this wave check. Let's get it.
Today, click play. Let's go.
Alright, so how I'm gonna do it, right? Whenever he comes up with a wave, whatever, I'm gonna pause it and then say my thoughts, and then we go from there. These two pictures right here, I actually made those pictures on Lightroom. It was like my first couple of times. It was my first time on Lightroom. I didn't really know what the heck I was doing. That's why you see this background all blue, and I don't know. But yeah, this was a thumbnail in one of my videos, alright? So I made this picture. Just wanted to let y'all know that.
Okay, so I've been seeing this picture going around. I mean, this is what most black women like. If black women don't like bald-headed men with beards, then they probably get them a white man. But
yeah, I remember I said I wanted beard waves, right? I think the reason I can't get beard waves yet, why it's not letting me, is because my hair, I'm not bald. You feel me? I feel like when I'm bald, I don't have nothing to work with up here. Then I'm gonna focus on this. That's why it's so hard for me.
Dude, I wish I had a wavy beard like that.
Okay, boom. First rate, 7. I say 7 because the silkiness makes up for it. Because I would definitely get it's like a. Nah. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to a 7, man. Great silkiness, but it's a lot of forks. All right, it's like mad forks all on this side. All right, it's dope. The haircut helps with the 7. Yeah, man. I'm not changing my rate. This is 7 because of all them forks, and the connection's not right. Okay, now let's see what Cruz got to say.
This is a fresh cut, but you thought you was slick. You thought you was gonna get away with that shit. You thought you gonna get a 10 because you got a fresh cut. Not a fresh cut on 10, but yo, wait, you got a few forks up in there now, buddy. You got some forks now. You look like you an elite waver, but you got some forks. I said you got about 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it's
you got
a lot.
About 3 of them on this side, but from this angle, I can rate you about a good. I say about a 6 from this angle.
Oh, you rate him worse than me. I'm telling you, man. This is 7. I didn't think he was gonna. I thought he was gonna give him like an 8, you know, because of silkiness. But okay, Sir Cruz give him a 7. I mean a 6. Boom, right there. You got a wolf. I could tell he don't. Okay, he do wolf based on the definition that I'm saying, but he need to work on those forks. All right. Yeah, those forks make that junk look crazy, man. 7, another 7.
Okay, we got another waiver right here. You got, what's that, the drop fade or some shit? What's that? What we gonna rate that motherfucker? We gonna rate him about a good, he about a good 6. Ooh.
Another 6, man. I told y'all, man. Come on, man. I'm not. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I don't be hating. Y'all be thinking I'm hating. I don't be hating, man. I don't. I'm just being a critic. I'm telling you what you gotta work on. And I'm letting you know that you a 7. You're not a 10. All right. Just letting you know. And over here, if I ever get to this point right here where it's all bored, I'm giving that junk up. I'm giving it up. I ain't doing that.
See, I just think when
It's
you
over.
got waves like this and your crown is just getting real thin, it's kind of like, I don't know about that, buddy. Like, I think you should just give it up.
Exactly.
I don't know.
What do you?
I mean, I understand. I probably wouldn't want to give it up either, but damn, what the fuck? Where's that go?
You see that right there? That's catfish right there, man. I don't know. I don't know what to think about that, cause I ain't going that far. I ain't.
I mean,
going
where's
that.
that go? He ain't had no hair. With a ball.
Oh
Nah.
snap! Okay. This definitely looks like a 10 right there. But me, before I give you a 10, I gotta make sure that you're a 10. Okay. The crown looks dope. Great connections, boy. Great connections. Great shine. Great definition. He roping. I love the flow of the waves. Okay. I was gonna give you a 10. Matter of fact, I was gonna give you 11. But at the right here, I don't know if y'all can see. It's a fork right there, man. It's like it's so hard to get that 10 because it's always that one fork. It looks like it's a fork right here too, but I'm not sure. I don't know this. I'm not gonna count that one. That looks like a fork right here, but right here, man, it's like it's a fork right here, and it messes with. Yeah, man, it's like right here. This whole area right here. This fork messed up these two lanes. Like 2 lanes are messed up because of that fork. So that counts as about 2 forks. Definitely looks like a 10, but as a critique, I gotta be fair. I'm not gonna give you a 10 if you got a fork. So this definitely gonna have to be a 9.7. 9.7. You feel me? 9.7. Alright, let's see what Cruz gave you, man.
I reacted to this video on Instagram. People like, oh, why you ain't give him a 10, bro? Get a man a 9.5 at least. Give him a 10. Bro, I gave him a 9.
A 9.
He got a 4.
That's good. That's good. A 9 is good. That's a D. See, he's in the 9s. He's not a 10 yet.
Right under his ear. Like, it's under his ear, over a little bit, and it's up. Like, I wish I could show you, but
Yeah,
it's right up
there.
under his ear. Like, if you zoom in, I'll probably zoom in on the video, but zoom in, it's right there.
Yeah.
From this angle, he look like a 10.
And it looks like a little fork right here too, but I'm not even gonna count
The
that.
back of his neck, but from this angle, he a 9.
Yeah.
If you want to go make a video and give him a 10, you do that. But it's just like when you go to a bodybuilding contest or any contest, whatever the judges judge, that's what it is. If you think it's something else, you go make your own motherfucking video.
Yo, exactly.
All the way. But
I'm not promoting the cursing. I don't do that. But hey, man, this not a 10. Alright, just
and
let
if
you
you
know.
think you got a 10, you go make a video, get a man to 10 your damn self. You go make a video and get 100 views, and no comments, and see if anybody give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? So to me, he a 9. That's still good.
That's
It ain't like I gave him a 2.
A 9 is freaking dope, man. Not a lot of people get 10. It's hard to get a 10.
Hurt over rating, and this dude.
You wanna know how hard it is to get a 10? Even the best in the game, Poppy Blasted, 360 Jeezy. I'm not even gonna. Matter of fact, I'm gonna count Cruz too. Cruz not even a 10. Right now, with the pattern he doing right now, he not a 10, bro. 360 Jeezy was never a 10, cause he always had that 1 fork. No hate, alright? Jeezy, no hate. I really not look up, but these people, I really respect these waivers right here. Poppy Blasted, Jeezy, 360 Wave Process, all of them, bro. No 10s. Alright, Jeezy always had that 1 fork right here. Poppy Blasted got a couple forks. Sir Cruz got a couple forks right now. He gonna break them in a couple of weeks. But yo, I ain't never seen no 10 before. Alright, maybe I have, but I just don't really remember like that. But it's hard to get a 10, man.
Said he would accept the 9, so I'm trying to figure out how people more butthurt about the rating than
Right.
him. Like, that shit be blowing me, bro.
That'd
be blowing the hell out of me.
Yeah, he a
I don't
9.7.
understand how motherfuckers be doing that.
Oh heck nah, what the heck is this? Alright, this like straight in between straight and medium texture right here. Alright, let's start with him over here. His flow is not, it's not flawless. Like the flow is not perfect. You see like the little squiggly right here? It's not perfect, alright? But I definitely don't see any. I don't know if this counts as a fork. I ain't gonna count that as a fork. This definitely is a fork right here. Him, I'm gonna get to him later, but him, I give him a 9 too, alright? Cause I don't really like the flow, you feel me? 9.5. All right, I give him 9.5. Him right here, like an 8, 7.5, 7.5. Got a mad forks, man. Them forks huge. All right, let's see what Cruz gave y'all, man.
Okay, now we got two. I would say they straight hair, but I would rate this dude in the front. He like a 4, like he got a nasty fork right in the front.
He gave him a 4. I forgot what I gave him. I think I gave him a 7, right? Like a 7. Yeah, Cruz gave him a 4. 4?
Dude in the
He not
back
no
look
4,
like
man. He not no 4. Come on, man. That definition makes up for that, man. At least a 6 or 7, bro. He not no 4.
9, 10. I don't see no forks from that.
Yeah, that's a 9.
I hate when I see people of this texture battling coarse hair.
Oh no,
It's
you
just
can't
like
do that because 2 different textures. No, that's not even competition, bro. Because medium texture weavers and straight hair weavers, their silkiness is on another level. Us coarse hair is hard for us to get that type of shine. All right, so don't even compare that.
There's 140 in the ring with somebody that's 240. It's kind of like the weight classes is off. Like you know, people gonna automatically think somebody with straight hair like this, silky looking hair like this, waves automatically look better than somebody with coarse hair. That ain't even a fair fight. See what I'm saying? Straight hair should battle straight, medium battle medium, coarse battle coarse.
That's how it should be.
You know, stay in your wave class, not your weight class.
Exactly.
They both spinning. You know, a lot of people might think this dude in the front is a 10, bro. Like I've had elite waves before. Like I know what a 10 look like. I know what a 9 look like. You know what I'm saying?
Word.
If you think they rating it should be better, you gonna make your video. Go make your own motherfucking video and you go give them your own motherfucking rating. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it was funny, man.
Like I said, man, they texture is healthy, but give them your own goddamn rating.
Word. Oh,
So
this right here. I reacted to this on TikTok. Got a lot of hate on that too. You feel me? All right, so the person in the middle, I thought it was a guy. So I really apologize for that. I didn't know. So yeah, it turns out it's a girl. It's a woman. But this right here, this is the best one. Okay, let's start with him first though. Mad forks on this side. Definitely not no 10. All right. He about it. 8. Let's go to him right here. Alright, I don't know if that's a dude, I don't know if that's a girl. I'm gonna just say they, alright? This person right here, alright? I'm not gonna say him or her, alright? Because I'll be getting in trouble for that, alright? The flow, nah, I'm not really messing with the flow right here. Make sure that junk's straight. Alright, everything looks good on this side. But when it comes to here, it's a mess. Alright, but this like a 9. Because I don't see no forks, really. Except maybe one right here. But yeah, definitely a 9. This is 9. This one definitely was gonna be a 10. But if you look closely, there's a fork right here. Alright? Right here. 9.7. From this angle. Alright? 9.7. That's my rate. Now let's see what Cruz gotta say.
now this is the best 3-man wave picture.
Cruz. That's a woman, okay? That's a girl. So be careful.
I've ever seen in my life. So I don't know who these motherfuckers is.
Yo.
But the dude on the left, I see from this angle, I see 1 fork, so I get a dude on the left.
1 fork? Wait, he talking about him or he talking about him? This is my left. This is my left. Maybe he talking about him. Because this dude got more than 1 fork. He got one right here, one right here, one right here. Yeah, he got like 3 forks. And he got some forks on his crown.
Dude,
Wait, what you give him? What you give him?
from this angle, I see 1 fork, so I get a dude on the left, a 9. Dude in the middle,
That's a girl.
I almost gave him a 10, but he got like a fork right up
Exactly.
his crown.
Nah, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with him. He not no 9. Wait, I forgot what Cruz gave him. What he give him?
Almost gave him a 10, but for 9.
Nah, he not no 9.
I see from this angle, I see 1 fork, so I get a dude on the left, a 9.
Nope. He a
Dude in
8.
the middle, I almost gave him a 10, but he got like a fork right up by his crown.
That's a
And then
9.7.
the dude on the right, he look like he a 10. I don't know who that dude is all the way on the far right.
Which right? This is my right. That's not no 10, Cruz. Not to me. This looks better than this one. This in the middle looks better than this. Cause this right here is messing it up. All right.
But it's the dude. He look like the dude on the left, and then the dude on the left a 9, dude in the middle 9, dude on the right. He look like a 10. Like I don't see no forks in his head. So y'all happy?
Nah. I ain't happy.
Y'all
He
about to
definitely not
still
no
gave
9.
somebody a 10? I know y'all probably happy about that. Like, I give out all of them a 10. No, they not, bro. I got the alpha ways. I've been doing this shit. People think just because they got a flow and they shit look good, like, you can't give something a fucking 10 if it's not perfect.
It's not perfect. This one not
You can't
perfect.
give it a 10, bro. Like, the fuck.
That's not
but
perfect.
they all spinning though. Like, they all spinning.
Yeah, of course, they spinning. Bro, if you above a 5, you spinning. I ain't gonna lie, that was fun, man. That was fun. But yo, that last one, I ain't really agree with it, Cruz. But yeah, y'all go subscribe to Sir Cruz, man. That was dope. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, man, if you guys get this video 500 likes, I'll probably do another one, you feel me? Because that lets me know you guys like this video and do more. So yeah, drop in the comments. Let me know if I should do a part 2 of this Sir Cruz rating, and then I'll just go and then see if I agree with him and see if I don't, alright? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 300K. Thank you so much for all the support you guys been giving me. And yeah, let's keep growing. Road to 1 million subscribers. That's the long-term goal. But for now, let's try to hit that 300K mark. Let's get it. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need.